Hey, what's up? Dean, Sid Performance at the shop. Pouring rain, but I started putting the shifter in today. Basically disconnected everything, took all the old stuff off. That's the old cable hanging down where it goes through the floorboard right above that, right there. So I'm probably just gonna end up nipping that off. Sheesh. But I gotta crawl up in there because I'm short. So because it's a bench seat and don't want to mount the shifter on the floor and have them reach for it, I made that pedestal. So that's what took up a majority of the time, was kind of getting it somewhat right and putting a handprint in the fresh paint. That's custom. But getting the angle right to the floor and to the shifter to have it lean back at them a little bit and turned a little bit toward them. There's a plate under here. It's just a smaller square with 4 bolts. Probably can see. Yeah, there's the edge of one, and there's another one over there, one over here, one over there. So there's 4 bolts that hold that down, and then the 4 bolts that hold it. It's pretty sturdy. The floorboard's a little weak. That's the big issue. So I may make another plate to go underneath the floor and kind of pinch the entire floor together. So I didn't mess up, but I didn't realize when I ordered this shifter for my car, this was going to go in the Magnum. It's still going to go in the Magnum, just have to reorder it. I didn't realize that this shifter comes 3-speed, and you have to order the gate for whatever, if you have a 2-speed or a 4-speed. So we kind of looked at it the other day, and I was like, no, I would have ordered it for a 4-speed, but in reality, it's not. So I ordered the new gate. That'll be here like Thursday, so I'll be able to get that on like Friday, hopefully. And then I'll tie in the 2-step to these buttons here. But yeah, and the cable's routed down underneath, and it's tied into the transmission. Try not to fall off of the side step. So everything up here is done. Fuel pressure's all adjusted right where I want it, so she's good. It's like right around 58, like almost on the money, 58. So, and there's the cable, the bracket, all that good stuff. Cable's away from the drive shaft, so that's good. There's the 4 big bolts. So just make another plate just to kind of secure the floor. I may incorporate the other 2 for the other shifter, for his 4-wheel drive shifter. Well, we shall see. Yeah, I just gotta cut this off. Maybe I'll pull it up or something. Then the brakes, I ordered a bunch of stuff for the brakes, so hopefully that stuff gets here. I also found this nut was sitting out here, so we got to tighten that up. I'll probably once over it real quick, just to get everything tightened up. We replaced that Heim joint the other day. So the other thing I saw was that this chain gets caught on this bolt, so I'll probably lop the bolt off. That way it keeps the chain from getting hooked and kind of tugging the truck down on one side. That could cause him some issues. This little thing's kind of going through it. The drive shaft yoke pukes. The seal inside of it, looks like somebody welded inside of, like to try and weld the hole shut. So the seal inside is probably gone. That leaks. I might try to pop that drive shaft out, weld it up tomorrow. That way there he doesn't have a transmission leak. I hate leaks. Everybody hates leaks, but yeah, I mean, that's kind of where we're at. Shifter's all done, other than putting the gate on and then doing like the bushings for the cover. Have to go on it, and wiring up the two-step, which I'll probably get all that stuff done tomorrow. That's pretty much it, though. The Nova, the new gear set. So I ended up ordering the new gear set, so I basically just paid for a whole nother set. I don't want him to have to wait because I made a mistake, and it's a simple enough mistake. He's a nice enough guy, so he understands sometimes I'm an idiot. But I ordered the new stuff so that it could get here, and they sent me a return label so I could send that stuff back, and then they'll just give me a credit whenever. So this is how the car kind of sits for right now, on a jack, so I can push it all the way back, and then once the gears come, I'll push it back forward. Up in the air it goes. I still got to drop the 243 heads off and get a machine and get valve job done, thanks to Lewis. That's pretty much it for today. Today's a quick one, but yeah. Yep, that's it. That's all I did. But it's not that late. It's like 3 o'clock. I'm getting out of here. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Leave me a comment. As always, have a good day.